and a glue stick, some crayons, just the usual kind of crayons that children enjoy playing with, and it helps if the paper that you're using is smaller than your background sheet. So I'm just going to rip. I'll go with doing a bit of ripping. Just a little bit of glue stick, just enough to hold it in place. A couple of, cutting's more than one sheet here, so I can have a repeat pattern. So there's my basic set of shapes for my abstract. I need to take another sheet of paper and lay it over that one so I can't see the pattern I've just made. And there's where the magic happens. And I find it's better to select two colours, keep it simple, so I'm going to use a nice warm pink and a sort of duck blue. And what you're going to do is you're going to do a dragging motion across the paper, quite lightly, and in one direction, so put pressure on in one direction. So I'm going to go 45 degrees from corner to corner across the paper and drag, and drag, and drag. Now the more you do that, the darker your lines will become, but know when to stop, because you really just want a suggestion. Take your other crayon, your warm colour in this case, and you're going to go in another direction, so drag across from maybe this corner to that corner with the pink.